Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to display a text field using SwiftUI in native iOS application. So I will show you the output first. So this is my text field with a border of red, some placeholder text at the very start, and if you try to click on it, the keyboard is displayed and you can type or whatever makes sense to you. So first what I have done is that I have downloaded this Pacifico regular font and I have dragged it inside my project. Make sure this target membership is checked if you are trying to use any font. Next you will have to go to info.plist and you will have to add this fonts provided by application, and make sure you add this Pacifico-regular.ttf. if you are not seeing info.plist over here, you can just go over here, click on your project, click targets over here and go to info, and here you can also add fonts provided by application, and here you will have to add whatever is the name of your font, okay, with the extension. Next I have just gone to my content view. First we have to take a state variable which needs to be assigned because that's whatever the user types, we want to get it back right inside our code. That's why we use this state. Next I have taken a vstack. Vstack is basically used to align items one below the other, like in a column or vertically, but vstack is not necessary. Like I think I was facing some issue if you directly use a text field, that's why I have taken a vstack. Next I have taken a text field over here, so the default text is placeholder, but you can write whatever makes sense to you, and I have assigned our state, text input state, to our text. Then I have assigned some font as well, like the Pacifico regular font. Again, the name should be the same and the size is of 20. Then I have kept the keyboard as default, but you can change the keyboard if you want to. Then the foreground color is of type my color, and if you go to assets, here you can define whatever color you want. So to define a color, just click on new color set. Once then you can edit whatever name you want to. Then click over here, I'll just open this, and here you can just type whatever color makes sense to you. Similarly I have defined a second color as well. The reason why I have not written red over here is that like from latest Xcode version we get a warning because red color is already present inside UI kit or SwiftUI, so it's better to use that color instead of defining our own color. But most probably you will be defining your own colors, that's why I've written it as my color. Then the submit label is done. So if you see over here, I'll just open the keyboard. So the done button which you see on the keyboard, that's what it is, done. And I have applied some padding as well. Then I have applied a background, so it is of Z stack, rounded rectangle, corner radius, and stroke is like a border, and for that I have applied this second color. The line width is of 2, and at the bottom I have applied some padding as well. So yeah, that's how easy it is to display a text field inside SwiftUI. Thank you for watching. Bye.